Renewed calls this evening for the state to do more to assist persons with disabilities, particularly the blind. Amoy Harriet reports.
This is Michael Waterford. Every day he makes journeys to the Clarendon capital, Mapen, from Canaanites in search of food. He's blind.
Just lose my sight, Daddy, and be a darkness and nothing to eat, no clothes,
While on some days he manages to hustle just enough thanks to a few vendors.
Make me get food to go cook on them things, then I give me banana and things to go cook on yam and collard or cabbage and things. You see me respect the pan and them with dead, you know, Daddy. Pan the people them know the market, you know. You know, man.
Then there are days he leaves empty-handed, his disappointment made worse by acts of unkindness.
2 times they make me down, make me reach a hospital and them be 2 times now.
He tells us that while his situation is not ideal, with little to no support for poor disabled people like himself, begging on the streets of Mapen is his only saving grace.
And we take another break, but stay with us. Sports is next.